Wait, where's my car? What the hell? Wait, what the hell? Dude, my car's not here? I left it here. Is my car in there? No! No! No, my van's in there. They're on vacation. And I was gonna go in there and get my wetsuit out of there. No. And my second wetsuit's in the van. The best part of waking up is a wet wetsuit. Oh my God, that's so gnarly. Well, here we go. All right. We all know New Jersey's cold. Getting out of here. Can't take it anymore. It's been snowing, record snowfall, record low temperatures. We are headed somewhere warm, and we're stoked. I can't even believe it. Time for board shorts, sunscreen, white sand beaches. Ah, the dream. What the fuck? Alright, we're making a quick claim, shouting out Level 8 Luggage. We've been using Level 8 for a few months, maybe longer, and I have absolutely no complaints. The outside of this luggage is a high quality hard shell material, and guess what? It's waterproof. That's an absolute must for how I act. 360-degree spinning wheels make it easy to get around the airport and anywhere and everywhere else that you're going. I've been using a combination of either this carry-on and this check bag or just the carry-on, and truly with these two pieces of luggage and a backpack, I could travel for the rest of eternity. It's all the space that I possibly need, and I know that these are reliable, durable pieces of luggage that I can trust. They also have a TSA approved lock here, so you can lock them if you need to. This is the carry-on size. These two pieces of luggage are everything and anything that I need to travel around the world. So thank you, Level 8. We're stoked. We're gonna keep traveling for the dream. Oh, you have a lair? The lair. Now we're talking.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta do this.
Finally. Heavy claims. Currently, pretty cold. In the negatives. There's surf on the way. We're gonna go down to the beach right now and check the waves. 7 a.m. Everyone made it. Well, not everyone. Inclement weather. Potentially, well, actually, definitely. We're definitely going surfing this morning. We're actually gonna motivate Logan if it's a little small for his taste. Right?
Yeah.
He's gonna get stoked no matter what. He's a little picky. He might be a little spoiled. Oh man, you're out there. Oh, dude. I can tell. What? It's firing. This is epic. What? Perfect waves? It's perfect. Oh boy. Yes, sir. Oh, dude. That wave's bigger than it was. So the swell's like filling in right now. The snow has not stopped. They said they were getting 5 centimeters. I'm thinking like 5 feet at this rate. It's -8. We can't lie to you guys. That's like 62 degrees Fahrenheit. No, it's probably like, it's freezing outside. Wind chill, -16. It puts us pretty low on the Fahrenheit scale. Whoa. Yeah, but we're going surfing. Absolutely perfect point break. What more could you ask for?
Easy.
Thank you, John.
No problem. Good thing,
this. It feels really good to be back in the car. We were underestimating the cold a little bit, and I did realize when I was out there I actually grabbed the wrong pair of gloves. Those gloves are like 2 years old and they have a hole right here. So I was getting water leakage here. Or no, maybe it was right here. Water leakage here. And I was going right on a couple of those sets, and when you go right, you get caught behind all the white water on the inside. So I had to duck dive like up to like 6 times on some of them. Dude, by like the 4th wave, like I was getting that thing where like you kind of like, you get all like frazzled and like you're tripping out and you don't really know what's going on. Brain freeze, it's called. But yeah, we survived our first session. Dude, it was coming down. Snow was coming down. John stuck it out. Thank you, John.
Yeah.
Beautiful work. Got a couple waves. The swell's building, and happy to be back on land. We're gonna go get a hot cup of coffee.
Jim Horton.
Yes, sir. Everyone made it. Well, not everyone. Not everyone.
All right, update. I was supposed to leave Newark 2 hours after. Then that got canceled, rerouted to fly up to Boston.
Where's the boys?
Stuck in Toronto. It's 9 o'clock. They were supposed to be here at 3.
That flight got canceled. Went from Boston to now Toronto.
Rob said it's the worst turbulence of his life. Tommy's about to do that same flight.
How was the turbulence, Tommy?
Not as bad as Rob said, because I was talking to the flight attendant though, and she was like, oh yeah, the flight before this is horrible.
And then
I'm trying to get on a flight to Halifax that'll put me in at like 1 in the morning.
Where's your bags?
I don't know. That's the big thing.
At this point, I could have driven from New Jersey to Nova Scotia faster than it's going to take me to fly here.
Rob's getting in at 1 a.m., but he doesn't have his bags on that flight.
Apparently Rob's bag is getting on my plane,
Fingers crossed. I just did 3 flights, 1 more to go.
but we're like flying all over North America following each other with no bags.
So his bags are on Tommy's flight tomorrow, which comes in at 9 in the morning.
Might make it to Nova Scotia before the morning session.
So convinced at first that he had my bag.
There's also a snowstorm mixed in between all of this.
My bag's probably not, but we'll see.
All this is up in the air. We're gonna go get some lobster rolls.
I'm so spun and tired that I forgot to talk about Tommy.
Came back, the dude's like, I got Rob Kelly's bag, I don't have your bag.
Tommy was on the same flight as me, and when they canceled our flight, they put us on different flights.
Off of that flight, and then on to his flight, blah, blah, blah.
He's still in Boston, long story short. They can't find his bags. My bags are on the flight that he's supposed to get on.
I'm in Toronto.
So he's got about like 15 minutes to decide whether he's even going to continue the trip or not.
Got Rob's bag, we don't have my bag. He's like, your bag will probably show up tomorrow now, but now that flight's delayed, so your bag's not going to get there till like...
God bless him.
And he's like, yeah, we couldn't get his bag. I just want to make sure my bag is not like sitting in Boston somewhere.
This was all supposed to be one non-stop 50-minute flight from Jersey to...
Once I get through customs, go talk to someone from Air Canada down at the baggage claim.
The whole crew got separated.
Because the last thing I see is that it gave me a gate number to go to for United. Rob said it did the same thing for him, so I don't know.
It's been one of those days.
From what I understood, they got Rob's bag on the next flight out, which is my flight.
I'm praying Tommy gets on the flight, his bags get on the flight, my bags get on that flight.
That bag's gonna sit in Boston until
That'd be a win. That's what we're going for right now.
ship it to like a home address or a hotel.
I see snow coming down outside. I don't even want to look out there.
Yeah, but we kind of got a sick story going, so you may have
Dude, you're a father now. Go home. Tommy, pull the plug, dude. Don't do it.
Tommy, we're telling the story right now. You got to do it.
No.
I'd bail.
Just go home.
Dude,
I'm going home.
we had the most cruisy afternoon ever.
I think we got it. One more flight. We're gonna pull up.
15-minute make or break it window right now.
We're waiting on our table.
The contrast is palpable.
There we go. Little 15-hour detour, but we're here. No boards, no Tommy, but I'm here. So let's hope. I don't know. We made it. I don't know how we made it, but we made it. Oh my gosh. Let's go get barreled.
Did his boards make it? Is that an air tag?
No, that's us at the airport.
Right now?
Yeah, we just got a hotel here because the roads got kind of
Oh, you guys are the heaviest people I've ever met in my life.
So we're in Halifax, boys.
Alright, we'll keep you updated on the scenario. Yeah, I'm with you. I'm with you.
Their bags are on that flight.
On the way, so.
They're still not here?
They come in at 9.
Nice.
Well, you're not missing anything. Like not a rideable wave in sight.
I wouldn't say that, Ryan. He's getting a little ahead of himself.
Where do you see rideable wave?
There's a couple rides peeling down the point over here.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, I'll call you later.